In this video, I will show you how to add a Payoneer account to your Shopify. For that, the process is very simple and easy. If you are new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates, and I will be providing the link to the description of the Shopify admin panel. So if you have an account, you can simply redirect it to your Shopify admin panel. So first thing first, what you have to do is to go to the Google and create a Payoneer account. So what you have to do is to set up a Payoneer account. Once you have done that, get back to your Shopify admin panel. And in the Shopify admin panel, go to the settings. And in the setting, go to the payment or the billing option. So in the payment, either you have to type in a manual payment method. For example, go to the add manual payment method and either go with a create a custom payment method. So simply name the method Payoneer, add additional details like customers using the method, add the instructions how you can do it, and then go ahead and click on the activate. So this is pretty much it. Now you guys can see that I have added the payment method to the Shopify admin panel. So this is